Hi, this is Sydney. This is my time lapse of the stained glass function project, and this is going to be my process video showing how I made some of my equations, and this video is also showing how I drew my stained glass window. I thought this part was really fun. It was nerve-wracking because I didn't want to smudge any of the black paint, but it was fun to get to see my math come to life in art form.
Okay, this next time lapse is a video of me finally painting in my stained glass after the outline has dried over the weekend. The paint was a bit hard, so it wasn't as high quality as the other pieces of work, but I thought the colors came out pretty cool. And then at the end of this video, you can see the result of how the paint turned out. It wasn't fully dry, but I think you could see and get the gist of how it looked at the end of painting, and I thought that process was kind of fun, picking out colors and different things like that.
Okay, here are my first few functions of the frame of the stained glass window. So first we start off with two linear functions that are both blue and red, and then on the sides we have two quadratic functions that are green and black, which then have domain and range restrictions, which leave a little gap at the top, which I made a little triangle shape out of using linear functions. Okay, first I would like to point out the sinusoidal functions that are seen. You can see them on the lower half of the left. They have the sign in front of them with 3x plus 2, and then they have their domain and range restrictions next to them. You can see this visually in the figure as the same sinusoidal curvy line is shifted vertically to the top of the figure. Also, above that to the left, we have some exponential decay and exponential growth functions, and those are seen at the top part of the figure in blue and in red. And to show horizontal shift, I actually created equations for circles, which is not required, but I liked how they looked, so I had them horizontally shift over to create a kind of cool design.
And this is the final outcome of my stained glass function project.